this car on Citroen C3. It's very nice suspension, I love it, and the glass are so big, and you have so good visibility. The mirror is big too, a lot of visibility, and actually the engine is quite strong for this 1.0. I don't know why it feels so powerful. Actually, acceleration is really cool.
Turn right.
It's really cool, the acceleration.
Then turn right.
It's not bad. And the design, interior design, it's very nice either. You see this nice plastic, and here is not plastic, it's like a soft material.
Then turn right.
Here it's plastic. The brakes are really good. The brakes, the suspension on this car, it's amazing. Here we have some nice plastic, but it's really cool, easy to use. Some buttons here. We have here some nice design. Steering wheel, I don't like the steering wheel. This is the only thing that I don't like. It's quite a little bit too big, and I don't like it. But it's, yeah, the material, it's okay. It's a little bit soft. It's cool. I like this design. It's look like very nice. This design here for this, it's quite nice here too, and you have very good visibility in the mirror there too. In the back, very good visibility and a lot of space. I like this. I like that it's a lot of space there. Here we have the handbrake and some 12 port, and
turn left.
in the middle we don't have nothing, so that I don't like this, but really it doesn't matter. The steering wheel, it's a little bit tight. The suspension are very good. You don't feel anything on this car.
Turn left.
I can say it's better on my Golf GT. It's better. I feel better in this car on the suspension. It's quite better than my car. I don't know why, but it's maybe it's stay a little bit more up. The engine, you even
Make a U-turn.
barely hear it. You cannot hear the engine. It's really cool. Here we have a nice touch screen. You can connect your Bluetooth. You have some things to search here. I don't know, I don't think it having how much temperature, the time, energy, that's like radio. Here you have a phone book and stuff like this. Here it's manually adjustment for the air. You can see it's manually. Here you have some place for phone. Here you can adjust your radio. I don't know what is this place here. Here we have the change, manual brake, some ports, some cup holders here for the back, but you cannot hold your hand. Nice chairs, really strong. I don't know, but it feels good to stay in these chairs. It feels really good. And yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy. Here you have some place where you can stick your stuff. Here we have the mirror without the glass, without a light, sorry. Here light, like normal light. So it's really cool design, easy. And the engine, it's really cool. I like the engine on this car, it's amazing. So see you soon, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, and I wait you back for the next videos. here in the trunk it's a lot of space. You can stick a lot of stuff here, guys. It's really big, this trunk.